Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do Amazon unboxing that is called haul. So let's get started. I'm so excited to do this because I love to do unboxing, and this is my first video that I'm doing unboxing in my channel, in my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first one, I'm opening this. So my cutter. Okay, this one has this. Okay, what to do? Or what? What I have done, I don't know. But this. Okay. Okay, I got this. Okay. Oh, there you go. I have this bubble wrap which I like this one bubble wrap so much. Okay, Derwent Inktense pen travel set patty. #1, it means that it's #2. Oh, these are the colors which we find in the set. Intense paint travel set platy. Arkan Britain. Okay, let's open this. I want this from last 2 years, but why is it so like that much? Let's open this. Derwent. Okay. Okay, I got these intense paint travel set. Okay, this one all I have. Nice, but I have to travel from this like this. No, you have to fold it like that. You have to take it like this. Okay, is all these can take it? Yes. Oh my god. Okay, this all came with this. This is Derwent Inktense Paint Travel Set Letty. Next one. I'm so excited to open this because this is BRUSTRO. Let's see, open it. Okay, from here. Let's open like this. Okay, literally got this one. I love this so much. BRUSTRO. Artist sketchbook. I love this sketchbook. And I brought this. I'll show you one by one. And I got this all clear eraser camlin. So let's get started. This BRUSTRO technical pens, I think. So I have all the start from 0.05, 0.1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't have 4, it's 5, then 8. Okay, let's write it. First we open this. I love this sketchbook so much. Let's open this. Okay. Literally, wow. I love this sketchbook so much, and I'm waiting for a long time. What is this sketchbook? This is my dream came true. I love this. My dream came true. I love this sketchbook so much. Fine. Okay, this is A4 1A. This is A4 1A 110 GSM, which is I think better. 80 sheets, 160 pages, acid free and natural. That means you can sketch, or you can. I think we can do watercolor also. So yeah, we can do watercolor also in them. So let's try it. Let's swatch these colors. Okay. swatch these colors, these pens. So let's try it. 0.5 ml. Let's see. Okay, this is 0.05. Okay, the next one we are using is 0.1. These are so handy, good, and I think this is smooth also. 0.2. Okay, this one and 0.1, I think these are same, not so different at all. 0.3. Let's see. Yeah, this is darker than 0.2. Then I have 0.5 number. Yep. So 0.5 is more darker than 0.3, and this is so smooth at all. 0.89 number. 0.8. I think so. It's so smooth. Yeah, this is so smooth for all the edges that I get. I like 0.1, which is so good at all and so smooth when I write it. So let's try out this Derwent paint set kit. Why is not coming out? Okay, come. And this is water sketch paper and also a sketchbook, so we can try it out. So first of all, we have to swatch these colors. So let's swatch. Okay, not so water, lime, next one red. Oh, green I think, or blue. Yeah, green. I think next one is blue. It's just like dark green, light green. Let's see, light green. Okay, light green is not working at all. Working, but just mixed with black. No, it's purple, which is my favorite color. I like purple color very much. Next is, I think, skin color type something. Yeah. Next is blue, which is also my favorite color. Okay, it's light. It's so much light. Brown. Okay, brown is also good. Which color is next? Okay, this one and this one, I don't understand which color is this. So let's see. Okay, this is mid ultramarine, marine, and this is bright blue. This is bright blue, I think. And this one is dark black. Okay, I like that color. That one's check it out with this. Not this smudge at all. 0.5 is lightly a little bit smudge, but not 0.1. Now let's try it. It's smudge or not. It's smudge little bit, but not like that. 0.2. Let's try it. Okay, that's not smudge like that. 0.3. Okay, 0.3 is not smudge at all. Not little bit also. 0.3. Let's check out. Okay, 0.3 is a smudge. It's smudge. You can see in the video. 5. Let's take green. Yeah, 0.5 is not smudge at all. So yeah, this is all my video that I have. BRUSTRO sketch pen, this one. BRUSTRO sketch. In the next video, we're trying out this Derwent set palette, and we are testing out how much is the smoothness or like colors are vibrant or type like that. So in the next video I'll show you how to make a drawing with Derwent set paint kit. So be ready with the next video. Bye.